Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use a micro SD card for an extra storage on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So, if you have a micro SD card, unfortunately that's not enough for this particular model of Chromebook because it doesn't have a micro SD card reader, nor does have an SD card reader. Instead, we're gonna need a device like this, which is an SD card reader / adapter. As you can see, it has both USB-C connection and USB-A. Both are suitable for our computer. Now what we have to do is insert our micro SD card here, and after that either insert this device into one of the USB-A ports of our laptop or USB-C port. I'm going to be using the USB-A on the left edge of this laptop. And once we insert the external SD card, we can quickly see what's on it by going to Files menu and checking our new volume. Now we can also quickly format it here. All we have to do is just right click our new volume and click Format Device. Of course, it will also delete all the data present on it. We can choose the format, then click Erase and Format, and wait until the formatting is finished. And once the formatting is finished, we'll be able to freely use this device on our computer. We'll be able to save files on it and generally have, in my case, extra 120 gigabytes of storage. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.